This video will review how to access your billing settings to update your payment method. This service is required when you're using the cell kit for the ICC2 controller or the A2C LTEM communication module with the ACC2 controller. You can pay for this service directly by direct billing ACH, which is automated clearinghouse network, or entering the basic credit card information. Once logged into Centralus, you can tap the menu icon in the upper left, then choose Manage Subscriptions. Once you're in the Manage Subscriptions portal, you can select the username in the far right. Then tap on Billing Settings. This page will display your billing details. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll see your payment details. Here you can update your payment method through a basic credit card or change it to a U.S. bank account, which will allow direct billing. Once your payment method is updated, you can simply tap on Save. Your billing settings will now use these payment details moving forward.
To learn more, visit hunterirrigation.com.